Materials come in various forms. Through precise design and property modification, followed by sophisticated processing, we transform them into high-performance composite pellets for applications across diverse industries. Founded in 1988, Nytex specializes in advanced compounding and material modification technologies, headquartered in Taiwan. We operate across Greater China, Southeast Asia, and North America. Starting from the prototype stage, we work closely with our clients to create high-quality, traceable material solutions. We achieve the optimal balance of functionality, manufacturability, and cost, making us the ideal choice for our clients. Meanwhile, we develop Nytex's integrated decision-making system, digitizing R&D, production, and management operations. In 2025, we reached a new milestone in the capital market, marking the next chapter in our company's growth. With nearly 40 years of expertise in materials and experience across diverse applications, we serve a wide range of industries. Respond to diverse market demands through three core strengths: co-development, precise customization, and smart manufacturing. Through co-development, we are more than just a supplier. We serve as a true materials R&D center, providing services from formula design through mass production. In the co-design process, we leverage over 100,000 data records to develop customized optimal formulas. From R&D through testing, every stage is recorded and analyzed, ensuring full traceability. Through smart manufacturing, we ensure plant-wide quality consistency and traceability, transforming designs into stable pellets and bringing R&D into practice. For ESD and semiconductor-grade materials, we maintain dedicated controlled production areas to ensure the highest level of purity and precision. With these capabilities, we hold certifications in aerospace, automotive, and sustainability, ensuring traceable quality for applications in advanced markets. Sustainability is at the core of our material design, enabling material circularity through low-carbon formulations. Committed to social impact, we continue to support child welfare, education, and cultural initiatives. Upholding integrity and transparency, we implement robust risk and information security management. In manufacturing, we improve wastewater recycling efficiency through our treatment systems. Our exhaust gas treatment systems effectively filter harmful substances. Through the installation of solar panels, we promote the transition to green energy and reduce our carbon footprint. We create composite material solutions tailored to each of our clients' applications. Nytex Composites.